रुचिता, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग विद पीडी क्लासेस? कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
सर वो बेस थी यही कि 2-3 दिन से ही लग रहा है कि मैं प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ इंटरव्यू के लिए। उससे पहले तो लगता था मैं मतलब प्रिपरेशन ही नहीं करती। अब कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं मतलब हो जाएगा मेरा ऐसा। वही सही दिशा और गाइडेंस मिल रहा है अभी।
So good morning, Ruchi. First of all, you tell me the work profile of drug inspector.
Yes, sir. The most important function of drug inspector to issue license, inspect organization, companies that manufacture, store, sell, and distribute any kinds of pharmaceutical, playing crucial role in protecting uh, citizen from unsafe or harmful medication, and the Indian in typically work in various environment like pharmaceutical industry, laboratory, and regulatory agency, and also required to field visit to inspect manufacturing facility, and also attend the training session workshop to stay with current regulation and standard of pharmaceutical industry. And overall the job of drug inspector, dynamic working environment uh, that balances the office based work with field work.
Okay. Now you tell me about your hobbies.
Sir, my hobbies are that traveling, exploring new culture, interacting with new personality, drawing and cooking.
Okay. My next question to you is, what are your strengths, your strong points?
Yes, sir. My strength are that be self confident, disciplined, and honest lady.
Okay. Okay. Why do you want to become a drug inspector?
Yes, sir. I, as a drug inspector, I want to contribute to public health and safety by ensuring the quality, efficacy, and standard of pharmaceuticals, playing a crucial role in protecting citizens from unsafe and harmful medication. Um, and I am drawn to the role of drug inspector due to because it's involving pharmaceutical company either to strict regulation and standard and protecting the distribution of preventing the distribution of unsafe or harmful medication.
Okay. One of our student, Nidhi from Uttarakhand, she has got
Hmm.
selected in drug inspector interview only. Okay. She has
Hmm.
prepared us
Yeah.
last year and she has
Hmm.
cracked the interview. We expect from you also, Ruchita Rathod, that you should also crack this interview. Okay. What are the challenges according to you? किस तरीके के challenges ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर को फेस करने पड़ते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
There are various challenges faced by drug inspector
लाइक?
like like stay long duration to inspection to manufacturing facility, extensive traveling to visit manufacturing facility, managing large volume of documentation, and potential pressure from companies to overlook violence, and sometimes manufacture encountering to resistance to uh, during inspection to possible of rule breaking.
ओके. नाउ यू टेल मी अबाउट योर अचीवमेंट्स. आपने बी फार्मा कहाँ से करी, और एनी ऑफ योर अचीवमेंट यू वांट टू शेयर?
Uh, I done my B pharmacy with 75% Sumati Vidyapeeth.
वेरी गुड.
And I top my school in 10th and 12th standard board exams.
दैट्स ग्रेट.
Hmm.
ओके.
And I am active participant in school and college cultural activities and sports activity. Mhm.
ओके.
Uh, and I am dedicated and determined lady for my profession.
ओके. What are the qualities and skills required in drug inspector? What do you think? किस तरीके की qualities होनी चाहिए उनमें?
Sir, a good drug inspector uh, has a variety of qualities, including analytical, scientific, and communication skill,
Hmm.
as well as good ethical integrity, and
Okay.
able to inspect any premises and ensure that the condition are for a condition of license followed by them, and be able to solve complex problem situation and take action against violence.
Okay.
And so other skill as have good critical decision making, be patient, and actively participate in current standard and regulation
Oh.
of pharmaceutical industry.
Okay. Tell me the difference between pharmacokinetic and dynamic.
Sir, pharmacokinetic is a drug act on how drug act on body. Mm. The body drug act on drug, and pharmacodynamic, but how act on body.
Okay. Tell me the classification of antibiotics.
Antibiotic. Uh, Various classification in antibiotic, bacteriostatic, bactericidal, and
Final.
according to mode of action,
Yes.
according to
Spectrum.
narrow spectrum, broad spectrum,
Okay.
and
Can
class
you?
of antibiotic.
Yes.
Mm.
Can you give me example of macrolides?
Mm. Macrolides, azithromycin,
Yes. Azithromycin, roxithromycin,
azithromycin,
clarithromycin, erythromycin.
mm,
Okay. Okay. Now tell me the classification of NSAIDs.
and seeds. Uh, COX inhibitor,
Yes. Selective,
preferentially
non-selective.
COX inhibitor, selective, non-selective COX inhibitor.
Any example of selective COX inhibitor?
Sorry, heterocopsid.
Etorocos. Very good. Previously they were Rofi and Sally, but they got banned, and now that Etoro. And very
मैंने नोट
interesting
किया
way.
था.
And very interesting way is like one is selective, another is preferential, which includes diclofenac and aceclofenac. And
Right.
then is non-selective, we know aspirin, naproxen, and all this. And one is paracetamol, that is antipyretic and anti-inflammatory. So in this way, there are four ways. Otherwise, there are two also, selective, non-selective. This is also right. Okay, now you tell me, like being a girl, don't you think this job is quite hard for you? This is not a bed of roses for especially ladies.
So nowadays, no an issue to job, मतलब other ladies भी do work with job and homework, मतलब housewife also managed by time management.